A 2012 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, so it's right at, one more, right at 94. That's the sound decibels out of it. All right, that's what it sounds like before. We'll let you guys hear it out. Cut the mufflers, guys, off, the rear mufflers, there and there. And we're gonna let you guys hear it with just the mufflers cut off. Go ahead. Give it gas. Again. He's gonna open these valves, as you guys can see. Do it again. See how they open automatic over pressure? Open them all the way now. What do you think? You like it? Again? That's what it sounds like, and it still has the resonators on it. The resonator in the middle. But that's the two valves. What we do is we just weld them open, because it just sounds a lot better with them open. All right? This is what it sounds like with them normal. Go ahead. See, they don't sound good. But you can see them open over, like when they get certain RPM, they open all the way. Go ahead. We'll let you hear what it sounds like before. 2012 Chevy Camaro SS, convertible, really beautiful wheels on it, really nicely done. It's a clean car. Got factory 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there, then factory resonator, dual in, dual out, as you guys can see. We kept that on, he didn't want it too loud. Then like I showed you guys before, we welded the valves open, there and there. We put a rod in there and then welded them, so it gets a little bit louder. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there into 5-inch double wall stainless steel tips. Right there and right there. There's the 2 rear mufflers we cut off, right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Perfect. It's not overbearing, just smooth, you know. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 104. It's got a nice barbell to it. Go ahead and back it up. It's convertible, so you guys are not going to get that inside view. Chevy Camaro SS. Rear muffler delete, 5-inch tips. She's sexy.